What's up guys, it's Nicolette here. So today we're going to be doing a more instructional video. This is going to be assembling the iKea children's Mickey desk along with a pink office chair. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We started by separating all the pieces into their separate groups, ensuring that we would not misplace any. We then took the front of the drawer, and started to assemble it. It took us a few minutes to find a few of the pieces, but we eventually got it together. We screwed the screws in and hammered the dowels in. Then we attached the sides. We tightened the bolts on the side and added the bottom of the drawer. Then we added the back side of the drawer. And to hold it all together, the wheels went on to the side with simple screws that fit nicely into the holes. The tracks had nice clips that held the bottom together, ensuring that it would not fall off. We next started by assembling the cable management, which would go at the bottom of the countertop. We screwed in the pins in order to hold up the cable management. I moved the camera to give you guys a better angle. We added on the rollers on the side of the drawer so that the drawer was able to move back and forth easily. We hooked up the cable management onto the side of the shelf where it belonged and tightened it at the bottom with the fastening screws. Please excuse my underwear. We then finished adding on the track. We took the other leg that would go on the other side of the cabinet and started putting the track on that one. We then added on the hinges for the cabinet door that would cover the shelves. We added them on the bottom with the security screws. We put a piece on, but we realized that it needed to be moved to the back, so then we switched it. It was no problem. We brought over the countertop and screwed in all the screws. Once we put the countertop onto the base, we noticed that there were too many screws, so we realized that we had to remove some, as shown now. We tightened the base onto the countertop and then finished off by adding the extra leg for support. The screw on the left and right were a bit difficult, but the one in the middle was very simple. We assembled the second drawer, adding the dowels and screws where they were necessary. We added on the door and attached it to the hinges. We realized that the door did not work very smoothly, so later we moved it back. We finished off the drawer by adding the rollers to it, and then attempted to get it into place, but we struggled for the first few times. We started installing the pegs and realized that they were off, so then we fixed them and the shelves went in perfectly. The door was fine. Now for the chair. The chair was much more simple to put together, far fewer pieces, and came pretty much pre-assembled. We put all the screws in where they were necessary. There I am on the right, messing around with the hydraulic system, which ended up being correct. We put all the wheels into the holes where they belonged, hooked up the hydraulic system, and screwed it onto the bottom of the chair, ensuring that the lever was on the right side. And just like that, the chair was done.